Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'll show you how to insert text inside a video in PowerPoint, step by step. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and head over to the Insert tab. On the right side, you'll see the video option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, choose Stock Video, and type WAV in the search bar. Once you find the WAV video, select it and click Insert. Next, duplicate the video by copying and pasting it. Position it right in the center of your slide. Now, let's add some text. With both the video and text selected, you'll notice a Quick Tools option pop up. Click on it, then choose Insert, and just like that, your text is inside the video. Right-click on the video, and from the menu, select Format Video. Head over to the Shadow section and choose the bottom right option. Adjust the transparency to 50% and the blur to 20 points. Then, let's make it even more dynamic. Click on 3D Format and select Rounded Bevel. Scroll down to Lighting and pick the Soft option. Next, click on Video Format and tweak the contrast to around 16%. Now, it's time to make the video play the way you want. Go to the Playback tab, select Automatically, and check the box that says Loop until stopped. That's all for the video settings. For the finishing touch, insert a rectangle shape to cover the entire slide. Set its color to white, and adjust the transparency to 46%. Then, send it to the back so your text and video are in front. And there you have it, a beautiful text WAV video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video.